guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. If you're new, today I will be doing, as you can guess by the title, a blindfolded slime challenge. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. No, I'm scared. First, I am prepared. And by the way, it's gonna be with how do we say it? I forgot. We're gonna do slime blindfolded. So I'm gonna have this spot. Okay, let's get started. Okay. There we go. I don't know if it's in front of the camera. I think that's enough. No, wait. I think that's enough. I'm gonna add this solution. Yeah. Okay, the bowl's right there. I think that's enough. I think I'm gonna add too much. With my finger, I don't care. There's so many bags with this. Let me cover it more. Oh, it got up. Okay. I didn't. I wasn't looking. Promise, I was just looking straight. Low. Okay. Get out of this room. Jeez, what is this for? Sorry, you guys. Okay, I think that's it. I can't feel powder. Wait, is this cool? Yeah, this is cool. How do we hug the body of this? Can you stop? Jeez. I have to go. It's getting tougher. Stop lying. No, this is stretchy. I never had a stretchy non-activator slime. Just because I added some lotion. Okay, now let's see. Why is it pink? I mixed with this. It's pink. I don't know why. I mixed it with something and it turned pink. Wow. Let me add a little I guess I added too much. Let me just mix some in the slime. Is it good? So this was my slime. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I did cheat a little bit. Oh, yeah. I will see you guys next time. Bye.